Can you flip a Nectar mattress? If you're wondering whether you can flip your Nectar mattress, you're not alone. Many people have this question, especially if they're used to flipping their old mattresses. Let's break it down. First, it's important to understand the construction of a Nectar mattress. These mattresses are made of multiple layers, each designed to serve a specific purpose. You have the quilted cool cover at the top, which is soft, breathable, and features heat-wicking technology. Below that, there's the Nectar Smart layer, a 3-inch thick gel memory foam that provides pressure relief. Then there's the dynamic support layer, which gives you the bounce back and support your body needs. The Stay Stable base layer is a sturdy 7-inch foam that ensures all the other layers work as they should. And finally, there's the shift-resistant lower cover to keep everything in place. Given this layered design, flipping the mattress is not recommended. Flipping would disrupt the order of these layers and could cause them to shift and sag. For instance, if you flip the mattress, you'd end up sleeping on the denser base layer instead of the softer, more comfortable top layers. This would not only make the mattress less comfortable, but could also damage it over time. Instead of flipping, Nectar recommends rotating the mattress every 3 to 6 months. This helps distribute your weight evenly and prevents sagging. You should also avoid jumping on the mattress and placing heavy objects on it to extend its lifespan. Using a mattress topper can also help distribute your weight more evenly and reduce pressure points. So to answer your question directly, no, you should not flip a Nectar mattress. Rotating it regularly and following the care tips provided will help you get the best out of your mattress and ensure it lasts for a long time.